Running a home shouldn't feel like running a circus. But when the to-do list never ends and everyone's pulling you in different directions, that's precisely what it can feel like. That's where a house manager steps in. Not just a cleaner, not just a personal assistant. A house manager is the glue that holds a busy household together. They don't just help you get things done, they help you run things better. Let's unpack what they do and why more and more busy families across Melbourne are bringing one in. First up, household operations. If your home feels like it's always one step away from chaos, a house manager brings order to the madness. They streamline everything, setting up innovative systems, organising cupboards, and building routines that stick. The goal? Less overwhelm, more flow. Managing schedules and family calendars. Think of them as your household's air traffic controller. They coordinate school drop-offs, appointments, sports training, and everything in between. No more double bookings or forgotten events. Everyone knows where to be and when to be there. Meal planning and preparation. Most of us want healthy, home-cooked meals, but without the effort. A house manager handles weekly meal planning, creates shopping lists, prepares meals, and cooks. Whether it's allergies, picky eaters, or fitness goals, they cater to it all. You walk into a kitchen that's under control and a dinner that's ready to go. Laundry and wardrobe management. Let's face it, laundry is a never-ending beast. But with a house manager, it's handled. They'll wash, dry, fold, iron, and even organise wardrobes. Socks get matched, uniforms are ready, closets stay tidy. And best of all, it doesn't pile up on the weekend. Cleaning and maintenance oversight. It's not just about scrubbing and vacuuming. A house manager ensures your home is maintained regularly and properly. They book cleaning sessions, flag repairs early, and keep trades and services running smoothly. Think proactive maintenance, not panic stations. Errand running. Time-consuming errands like grocery runs, pharmacy pickups, and dry cleaning, all sorted. Instead of burning hours on the little things, your house manager takes care of it so you don't have to. Holiday planning and event preparation. Whether it's booking a family getaway or pulling together a birthday party, a house manager makes it seamless. They manage RSVPs, venues, catering, gifts, the lot. You enjoy the moment instead of juggling the planning. Childcare and routine support. From booking babysitters and managing after-school activities to keeping homework on track, they ensure your kids' schedules run like clockwork. You get to be the present parent, not the frazzled one chasing loose ends. Pet care coordination. They'll manage feeding schedules, vet appointments, walks and grooming. Your furry friends stay happy and cared for, even when life gets hectic. Above all, they reduce mental load. A house manager doesn't just do tasks. They lift weight off your shoulders. You no longer have to carry every single detail in your head. You can finally relax, knowing someone's across the moving parts and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. So why does this matter? Because your home should support your lifestyle, not add more stress to it. A house manager helps you reclaim time, energy, and headspace. Whether you're a busy parent, a professional working long hours, or just someone who wants their weekends back, this is the solution that works. Want to see what a difference a house manager can make? Let's have a quick chat and design something that suits your home, your lifestyle, and your budget. Call Clean House Melbourne or email us to get started. Because life's too short to be buried under laundry, lost in schedules, or tied to the mop. It's time to run your household without letting it run you.